Okay guys, it's me Imad. So today in this video tutorial we will learn about how to create the multiple plots or graphs on a single GUI. So for multiple plots we must have multiple axes. So how we can do that? First of all we have to go to our launch side notes option which is under the file. So click on it. And now we have opened our file. Okay, we will go to file, click on new, and now we have opened our file. Now first of all we have to create a GUI or figure. So how we can do it? We can write a is equal to figure. So what this function will do, it will just create a GUI for us, a simple window. Okay, a blank window we can say. Okay, and why we have equalized this function figure to the a? Because wherever we want to create GUI or wherever we want this in our code, we can just write a. Okay, and it simply means the complete figure. So that is why we have stored all the function inside this variable. So now this is done. Then we have to create axis. So we write a underscore 00 is equal to new axis. Now what about this function? So here you can see that new axis is our function, okay, with two insertion parameter brackets, and new axis will just create one axis on the GUI. Okay, so this is our first axis, and we have assigned it to a variable that is a underscore 00. You can write any other name, but here we have written it out, that is new axis. Okay, now can we run it out? Yes, we can run it out. Yes, we can. Okay, we can write like alpha. Click on save. So now you can see that we have got our simple blank new axis and one GUI. Now after this has been done, we will write a underscore 00 dot axis underscore bounds, and then is equal to, okay, now what is this? A underscore 00 is actually our new axis, and dot operator is an operator which will just, okay, which is just saying that axis underscore bound property just belongs to this class or this variable, measure variable. So this is axis bounds. So axis bound function, we have to give certain numbers here. What sort of numbers? Like 0, 0, 1, 0.5. Okay, 0, 0, 1, 0.5. So this 0 is x-axis value, this is y-axis value, this is length, and this is width. So now we run it out. We can write save and execute, and you can see that our length is 1, okay, and x-axis value is 0, y is 0, and all these, and width is 0.5, like this. Now this is done. After this has been done, we will write, and we can say t is equal to 1 colon 0.1 colon 10. Okay, so this is our time variable. It goes from 1 to 10 with a difference of 0.1, like there are 1000 values in it. So this has been done. After this has been done, we will write plot 1 is equal to sine of t. Sine of t means that sine function will take sine of all these values and then will store all the values inside this plot 1 variable. Okay, so this is, okay, this is plot 1, and this is a variable. We can write plot underscore 1. Plot underscore 1. Now next is plot command. Now plot is a function. This function will just plot the values of plot underscore 1. Plot underscore 1, like this. It will plot values for us, like run it out, save and execute. Okay, now you can see it is done. Now if we want another plot in another axis, so how we can do, we can write a underscore 1 or 01. 01 is equal to new axis, the same thing. After this has been done, we will write the same things, all the things, copy it out, paste it out. Okay, just replace it with a underscore 01. This is T1, this is T1, plot underscore 2, and this is plot underscore 2. Now we have just changed the variable names. So now our first axis is a underscore 00, and our next axis is actually a underscore 01. Okay, and the same it is, but we have to change the value of y, like 0.5. So one is above and one is below. So now we run it out, and here we will just write cos of T1, so that it will be a little bit changed with that of sign. Now you can see that it is like this, and here we can write red color, red. Okay, so it will be of changed color. Okay, they said, okay, wait, it is not like this here. It must be inside this, or that is red. So run it out, and like this. Okay, so these are our two plots. And now if we want to plot the same thing, okay, like two, okay, if I am going to plot both of the graphs on a single axis, then what I can do, I can go and I can write SCA, that is set current axis, a underscore 00. Okay, a underscore 00. So what is this actually? So we will go and we will plot this thing, that is plot underscore 2 comma red, like this. So one plot will be in the second. So this set axis will actually set again the first one. That is, if we have written this thing, if we will write 00, then graphs will be on the first axis, and if we will select a underscore 01, the graph will be in the second one. So now two of the graph will be in the above. You can see like this. So in this way we can plot multiple things. Okay, we can, if you want to change its color, then we can write magenta and like this. Okay, so like this. So we can plot multiple graphs on multiple axes within the Scilab GUI. So hopefully you got the concept. So thanks for visiting our channel, and don't forget to subscribe.